Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. So yesterday, Boris Johnson announced a new tier system, new rules, new regulations, as well as new restrictions. So let's go through how this is going to affect our driving tests, our theory tests, even our driving lessons if you're taking any. So this is an email sent by DVSA, the official governing body for driving. The new Tier 4 restrictions introduced by the government. The Prime Minister has announced new Tier 4 restrictions in England to control the spread of coronavirus. From Sunday 20th of December, London, together with parts of South East and East of England, will enter Tier 4. Tier 4 restriction will remain in place until next formal government review on 30th of December. Okay, so you can read about it on gov.uk. Guys, before we go further, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for all the latest updates from myself. Okay, you're fully qualified driving instructor. Anyway, driving lessons. The government has confirmed that driving lessons must not take place in areas in Tier 4 from 20th of December until the restrictions are lifted. So bad news, or good news if you want to look at it from the safety aspect. Bad news if you guys are taking driving lessons, and I know all my students are eager to learn, and now it's going to hit them that they can't take lessons with myself. Okay, you must not travel out of Tier 4 area to give driving lessons or to take a pupil for a test. So any of you students trying to be cheeky and want to do driving lessons, you can't go out of the area. So don't get any ideas about trying to, take lessons on the sly. Okay, driving tests. The government has also confirmed that all car driving tests will be suspended in areas in Tier 4 from the 20th of December until the restrictions are lifted. This includes ADA Part 2 and 3 tests and standard checks. That's for driving instructors who are training to become driving instructors, ADA Part 2 and 3. Anyway, we'll email candidates who are affected by this to let them know we will reschedule their tests. So sorry for you guys who've prepared for their test, and unfortunately now it's been suspended. If you have booked a test for any of your pupils, you will receive it. That's for driving instructors who book the tests for their students. So anyway, the point is, unfortunately guys, bad news, driving lessons are not going to happen and driving tests are not going to happen until further notice. Let's just see what they're saying about the theory tests. All theory tests will be suspended in areas in Tier 4 as well. Okay, so that's it. That's the latest news, guys. Unfortunately, no driving tests, no theory tests, no driving lessons will be taking place. The only thing I could say is, maybe on a side note, is possibly maybe watch the videos about driving that we've been making. That will give you some idea how to prepare yourself for the driving test. For those of you who aren't taking driving lessons, and for those who's got a driving test and theory test suspended, again guys, unfortunately it's a long waiting game. Back on the queue. Hopefully you guys can get prioritized, possibly. I'm not too sure if you will though, but let's see what happens. Let the restrictions finish, and then we'll see if we can get a driving test soon. So sorry guys for the bad news. Hopefully you guys can have a nice Christmas period, even though I know you guys can't mingle with other households. But if you don't hear from me anytime soon, have a nice holiday, have a nice New Year's. I know it's a sad end to a bad year, but let's just try to stay strong together, and hopefully we can have a positive start to 2021. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.